My name is Ivan Dilber. I'm a fourth-year plastic surgery resident in Croatia, and I attended the FUE and FUT course here in Agra, in Saraswat Hospital, in the mentorship of Dr. Satya Saraswat. I must say that I'm very much delighted by the course, and this course has given me an opportunity to get a very delicate type of education regarding the hands-on of the FUT technique. The course itself was very. It has its vastness that you could easily implement every type of the knowledge in the last 3 months that we were having during the theoretical part, and afterwards in here we could every single type of the procedure and technique implement on the very patients, which is one very unique and very helpful experience for a future plastic surgeon, as I will be, or any cosmetic, any type of doctors that is planning himself to put himself or herself in the field of medicine. And by this my interview here, I would like to thanks very much to the hospital staff and Dr. Saraswat for sharing their experience, and if any type of course will be here, I surely will be attending it. Thank you.